cleaning your printer isn't a new or exciting tip, but it does improve your print quality. The idea is simple. Clean your printer as often as the manual recommends, and it will give you those clean and colorful prints you're looking for. Let's walk you through how to clean your ID Maker Zenius.
First, navigate to the touchscreen. Tap the Settings icon, then the Cleaning option, which looks like a hand icon. Then go ahead and remove any remaining cards from the input hopper. Now open the top compartment, remove the ribbon, and set your card thickness to the maximum thickness. Close the top compartment. Confirm your printer is ready by tapping on the blinking icon that reads Max. Finally, select the button corresponding to your specific cleaning kit. In this case, we're doing a routine cleaning. Now that you're ready for cleaning, locate your printer-specific cleaning card. First, remove the adhesive front and then insert the card into the front card slot with the adhesive side up. When the rollers have completed their cleaning cycle, the cleaning card will eject automatically. The residue on the card shows your printer was due for cleaning. Next, locate your printhead swab. Snap the plastic tube to release the cleaning solution into the foam applicator and run it along the printhead located on the inside of the printer lid. Now you can reinsert your ribbon, reset your card thickness, and put your blank ID cards back in the input hopper. Now for the Zenius printer without a touchscreen. Luckily, it's a very similar process. First, open your computer and navigate to the IDville Print Center. Once your print center is open, double-click on your printer name unless your printer status reads unsupervised. Then you must right-click on unsupervised and click Enable. Now that your printer portfolio is open, go to the Cleaning tab and select Proceed with Cleaning. Then click Start Cleaning for the regular or advanced cleaning options. In this case, we're doing a regular cleaning. Follow the instructions given similar to the steps described for the Zenius Touch, removing the cards from the feeder, the ribbon from the printer, and adjusting the gauge to its max, and then close the cover. Once prepared, select Next, and once again follow the instructions by removing the adhesive front from the cleaning card. Insert the card and wait until the card is spit out of the printer. Once done, a set of instructions to clean your print head using the swab provided will appear. Follow the instructions and click Next. Finally, follow the cleaning process end instructions and click Finish.
And just like that, you're ready for your next print job. Thanks for watching and happy printing.